In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one of your contacts and drag it to the proper place. If you want to discard those changes, use X icon at the top left corner. To save them, hit Save at the top right one. To delete any contact from your list, use this X right next to it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!